What's going on, guys? So I thought I would make a quick video showing how to enable global open and global close. If you're not familiar with what that is, it basically essentially allows you to use your key fob to open or close your windows by pressing and then holding either lock or unlock. In this case, unlock rolls the windows down and lock rolls the windows up. But I had a previous video and a couple guys comment on it saying that they could not get this feature to work, and specifically because they were doing it through the non-as-built data, and they were actually just doing it through the menus, which if you go there, you will see the option to enable or disable it. But sometimes it won't work because it's actually in multiple locations that you have to enable it. So the easiest way to do it is actually just do the as-built data format. If you're not familiar with what as-built data is or what FORScan is in general, I do recommend going back to a previous video that I made, as dealing with as-built data can mess things up and render your vehicle not able to start. So just be careful of that. That being said, it actually is a pretty easy change. In this case, for global open and global close, we're just going to look at three different modules: the body control module, DDM, PDM, and IPC. So let's get into it. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to FORScan, and you are going to go down to here and make sure you're connected. So we're going to turn the truck on, make sure we're in the HS position, hit OK. Previous vehicle, so I'm just going to hit yes and load the same profile. We're going to hit yes, flip the switch, hit OK. Alright, now that we're connected, we're actually going to go down into here, and the first one we're going to look for is the body control module. So we're going to go to body control module, as built format. We're going to hit play, we're going to go back up to HS, hit OK, hit OK. And all you're going to do, guys, is you're just going to look at the spreadsheet here, and anywhere that you see an X, you're just going to leave what value you currently have, and anywhere you see a red highlighted value, you're going to change to this red highlighted value. So the first one we're going to look for here is 7261101. So 7261101, and we're going to look into here. We're going to look at the last byte, second bit in, last byte, second one in, make sure it's a 1. Then we're going to go to 7261102, right below it here, and we're going to go to the first byte, second bit, make sure it's a 0, which it is. And then we're going to go to 7262201. So we're going to scroll down, 7262201. And in this case, we're going to change all of them except for the last two to 01010101, 0101010101. All right. And the last one in the body control module for global close is 7262702. So we're going to scroll down to 2702, and we're going to look for second bit to be a 1, which it is. And since we're already in the body control module and we know we want to do both, we're going to jump down to here real quick, and we're just going to do the same thing. Make sure that these are all set. 7262202, 7262202. And as you can see, we're just going to do the same thing. Make sure all but the last two are 010101. So we're going to go up here, 0101010101. Perfect. And we're going to go to 7261102. 7261102. This guy right here. We're going to make sure the last one and the first one is 0. Yep. And the next thing we're going to go to is 7262702. 2702 right here. And we're just going to make sure that the middle one, last one, is a 1, which it is. All right, so now that we got everything in the body control module for both of these, as you're going to see, I didn't change any of them because it's already enabled. But what you're going to do is you're going to hit write all, and a warning window is going to pop up. You're just going to hit OK on the warning window, and then it's going to load down here. Once this reaches 100, it's going to tell you to cycle the key. You're going to cycle the key and hit stop, and you're going to come back here. And the next one we're going to go to is the DDM. So you're going to come down to DDM, as built data. You're going to hit this. We're going to switch it to MS, hit OK, hit OK. And in this case, we're looking for 740.05.01. So 740.05.01, and you're going to make the first one a D. Same thing. You're going to hit write all. You're going to hit OK to the warning, and then you're going to cycle the key, and then you're going to hit stop. You're going to come back up here, and we're going to go to the IPC, which is this guy. We're going to hit OK, hit OK. In the IPC, we're looking for 720.02.01, 02.01 right there. Make sure the first one's a 7. You're just going to hit write all, hit OK to the error, cycle the key, and then you're going to hit stop. And then you're going to do the last one, which is the PDM. So you're going to come down here, same exact thing. PDM, you're going to hit play, you hit OK. You're going to look for 741.05, 741.05, and 01. And you're actually going to change this to a D. And then you're going to change that. You're going to hit write all, hit OK, cycle the key, and then you're going to hit stop. And then you're going to come back, and that's all you got to do. So now that you've got body control module, DDM, IPC, and PDM all changed, it should be enabled.